probinsya ng Davao Occidental.
Sa munisipalidad ng Jose Abad Santos.
Just amazing! Just wow! Gusto ba nimo maligo sa tinaw ug limpyo nga mga busay? O sa dagat ang maglangoy-langoy ug mahusay? O di ka pilit nimo mag-surf pagkawala sa kalaan? Tara! Sumugin ka! Kung ikaw na lover ug gusto mag-chill, kabukiran sa Jazz perfect for track and trail. Prestong hangin, feel na feel. Dali! Ug subira ka sa biyaheng Jazz. Just in Jose Abad Santos. Located at the southernmost part of the province of Davao Occidental, municipality of Jose Abad Santos, formerly known as Trinidad, is a coastal and first-class municipality of the province. It has a total land area of 636 square kilometers, 7,380 population, and 26 parks. The long stretch of beaches with black and white sands, together with the voluntary electric shore, are the primary natural attractions of the St. Santos.
Another festival that is celebrated in Davao Occidental, specifically in the municipality of Jose Abad Santos, is the Kapian Festival. So this is the celebration of a bountiful harvest and blessings received by the local residents of the municipality. And also the Masbol Cultural Festival of the municipality of Sarangani. This is the gathering of three major tribes of Sarangani, namely the Bilaan Israel. One of the festival in Davao Occidental is the Gaginaway Festival. This is a celebration of unity and bountiful blessings celebrated by the Malaitañas every full moon of November. Based on the traditional custom and belief that full moon is at its brightest during this period, and that the lowlands love to have a festival of merry-making, enjoying the beautiful view.
Balut Island, also known as Maluya, is a potentially active volcanic island south of the state of Davao Occidental province in the Mindanao region, southern Philippines. At the center of the island is the volcano of Pumarolog volcano with no historical eruption. The island is a virgin. The place is peaceful and nobody live in this paradise. Everybody is welcome to enjoy white sand beach and turquoise clear water. Located in the southern tip of the Philippines, a tropical paradise is the province of Trinidad. Nature keepers find refuge in the clean, peaceful white and sand beach. Dive and snorkeling fanatics can get enough of the marvelous diving grounds where exotic and untouched coral gardens spread out.
Grilled tuna. Freshly caught tuna is staple in Davao Occidental. Grilled tuna, often marinated with local spices and herb, is a popular dish in Davao Occidental. Cacao and Tabria. Davao Occidental is a part of Davao region, which is known for its cacao production, Tabria or cacao fountain,